So Microsoft just announced their Super Bowl commercial for Copilot, which is their AI platform. And it's a pretty good commercial. You can check it out here.
Good morning.
Watch me.
Just watch me now. Just watch me now. I got something for you, a little more for you. You won't believe your eyes. Just watch me now. I got something for you, a little more for you. You won't believe your eyes. Just watch me now. Just watch me now.
The important thing I wanted to talk about today was what does this mean and what is this commercial about? So what this commercial shows is that anything is possible now, right? With generative AI, people won't understand the nuance of this commercial because they don't really understand generative AI just yet. However, when they do, they'll realize that possibilities truly are endless. We are now living in an age of abundance. We already were living in an age of abundance. Now we're living in an age of super abundance. You can create things, anything that's in your head, you can pretty much get now generated, whether it be with large language models. You can generate text, which means that you can learn. Everybody will have their own personal personal educator, own personal tutor going forward. Everyone's now an artist. Everyone now is a coder. Everyone now is a videographer. Magic editor. AI is your companion to help you deal with most things. However, it is not a solve-all, know-all tool. It requires training, as most things do. Being able to use these tools effectively will allow you to future-proof yourself. People often worry about recessions. Are we in a recession? Are we going to be in a recession? You can't control that, but you can control the skills that you have. And you can control the time that you invest in yourself. There's always time there. We just got to figure out how to get to it. This is Dr. Jeff Bullock. Make sure you're being nice to yourself.
For more information, please visit our website and step into the realm of PRISM. And together, let's sculpt a future brimming with possibilities. I also invite you to join our vibrant community of thinkers, creators, and leaders on school.com. Here, amidst like-minded souls, your vision can find its voice, your ideas can take flight, and your potential can truly be unleashed.